Hi guys, this is Daryl Finneman, owner of Willamette Valley Woodcrafters. Here today to show you an install of our shutters. We have a couple different shutter products and barn doors, and today we're going to install some shutters on a house. Alright, so this is our premier line of shutters. All of our shutters are made of tight knot cedar. This happens to be our 2-panel line of shutters. I think these are 60 inches long by 15 inches wide. All of our shutters are planed to 1 3/8 inch thick. We assemble them with exterior grade glue and screws. They're plugged here and sanded. Also, the joints are tenon and slot joints, so everything is slotted and fit together. The center panels are 3/4 inch tongue groove tight knot cedar that are glued together. It's all put together with a proprietary suspension system, so these panels actually float. They're not fastened in. That accounts for expansion and contraction, so you don't get any cracking in your shutters, so they'll last a long time. The hardware we're going to use is 3/4 inch exterior grade screws, and then we have a nail type clavis that'll fit into a pre-drilled hole that'll actually cover the mounting screw. So these shutters we stain for the customer. We offer a variety of stains on our website at wvwoodcrafters.com. If there's a particular stain that we don't have that you want, give us a call and we'd be happy to try to find something that matches what you're trying to match, or just do a different color. Okay, so we're going to put this up on the wall here. Basically, we're going to put it right up to where the other one's at on the other side. Hold it in place. Basically what I'm doing is putting 6 screws in each of these, getting it to the right height. And there we have it. They're all installed. Again, check us out at wvwoodcrafters.com or call our number 1-800-619-8386. My name is Daryl Finneman, and I hope you enjoyed the video.